These are the results of the horsepower, which is the torque is at 173 in the blue, right there. And looks like the horsepower is at 120. We'll send copies of this because you can't really see it. It's hard to see. We're getting ready. We're at Chuck's Speed Center in Phoenix, Arizona, where we've done the first emissions test and horsepower test, and we're putting it up on a rack so we can swap out the original muffler with our new muffler. See the name of the company. And here's our new muffler already on the tailpipe. Okay, here's George. I'm sorry, George. Here's George under the truck, swapping out the old muffler. Swapping out the old muffler for the new one, our design, and we're gonna lay them down side by side so you can see the size difference. But again, I have to save my battery. I have to cut this down. I'm sorry about the quality of the video. Notice the difference in size of the original muffler with our separator or muffler. Okay, this tube here is a feedback for the emission system when you marry it with our other separator, which is currently plugged. We're going to just show it as a muffler in the first application. Now the muffler is connected, and we're going to just test it as a muffler. The return pipe to the other separator is not connected. We're going to just run a power test. And then we're going to connect that return to the other separator later and do another emissions and power test. Okay, we're now reconnected to the dynamometer and emissions control. And we're going to, this is with that tiny little muffler that you saw that is about at least 1/6 or 7th the size of that other muffler. And again, we're here at Chuck's Marvelous Speed and RV Center in Phoenix, Arizona. They do great work here, by the way.
You know what? We're going to put some propaganda in the internet for Chuck.
What's that?
We're going to put some propaganda in the
Oh, okay.
Cool.
So you guys, yeah.
Maybe we can get some discount.
No, that's it. We're all right. We're all right. We'll just.
Okay, yeah.
This is the start of the second test with the muffler on it. You can tell that small muffler holds the noise down even more. The original one, although when you heard the first one, I was not at the back end like this. He said something to you.
Yeah.
Oh, you got here we are with the continuation of the test. This is the second part. Getting ready to run the numbers for horsepower and all. Anyway, okay, here is a second test with muffler connected to the separator connected to the other separator. See if we get better emissions results. He's running it through a series of like climbing hills and driving at certain speeds on the roadway, stopping and going. Okay, we're done testing. We have some positive and some negative results. We gotta remove a deflector that we put inside there. We wanted to slow the air down. This is the first hydrocarbon and what were these two? Carbon and
Hydrocarbons and oxides of nitrogen.
Oxides of nitrogen. This was the first test taken at 3:23 p.m. and hydrocarbons were at 202 maxed out and 68 for the oxides of nitrogen. And we cut that down to a max of 133 and 22. So we have really positive results in that arena. With the carbon monoxide and dioxide, we were only able to knock them down from 49 and 17 to 22 and 14. From 17 to 14, 49 to 22. You can see on the top of the scale there. Anyway, these copies will be forwarded also to you. All right.